My name is Dhruva, first standard. My topic name is Sharing is Caring. In the school, there were three friends. Dhruva, Ashok and Kotresh. They help each other in all situations. One day, Dhruva forgot to bring pencil. So, Ashok and Kotresh gave him a straw pencil. As the day went by, one day Kotresh forgot to bring lunch bag. So Dhruva, Ashok and Dhruva shared their food with him. Finally understand that sharing is caring.